guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Sorry about the camera, it's like tilted. I'm gonna try to fix that. Okay, hopefully that's a little bit better. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 4 most affected squishies. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So my first one is this croissant. I don't know if this is the reproduced one, but as you can see, it's like really defected right here on the sides. Yeah. But it's pretty good. It's kind of dense, but it's pretty so rising. Up close squish. So yeah, here it is. Now my next one, that just made the camera worse. Okay, my next one is this toilet paper squish delish squishy. Yes, I know, it's green. I don't know why. But yeah, it's toilet paper, it said on it. Here it is. But you're probably like, it's not defected, it's good. Until you look at the top. Look at it, it's like cracked so much. And I barely even squished this one. Like, what is this? Oh, it's better when it's up close. You can see it more when it's up close. And it's like so rough, like sandpaper up here. But the rest is decent for a squish delish squishy. Like, it's pretty slow rising. And it's pretty soft too. So yeah. My next one is this cat in a cup squishy. So lots of people have this one, and in their videos they say like it's defected right here, which it is, but mine's not as bad as I've seen in some videos, because in some videos it's like really bad. Like the whole thing's about to come off in some videos. So yeah. It's a pretty good squishy, because it came in a 3-pack. So yeah, it's pretty so rising too. And listen to this. So yeah, that is that. Now my last one, did I say 5? I meant 4 if I said 5. I don't even know. But yeah. Anyways, my last one is this popcorn squishy. You're probably like, it's not defected. What are you talking about? Like from a distance, but then when you go up close, yeah. I don't know what this is. It's like the paint came off or something, and on the side it's like worn down. But I did get this one at a parade. No, not a parade, a fair thing, and it was where you pop the balloons with that, like, I don't even know what they're called, but it's that popping balloon game. And basically, every time you play, this was definitely not worth $10, because each time you play it was worth $5, and it was really hard to win. So I did it twice, and I only popped 1 balloon, and you get like 2 turns each time you spend $5, I guess. So every time you do it, you get one of these, like a bouncy ball. So you need to do it 2 times. And then you could keep those 2 bouncy balls, or you could trade those 2 bouncy balls in for a squishy. And that's what I did. And I went with my friend. She got the popcorn, so I'm like, okay, I'll get the popcorn too. But yeah. So yeah, those are my worst 4, like not worst, but most affected 4 squishies. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!